Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and we were talking this week about how the new Outlook experience is rolling out of beta. So it's interesting because I've got two Outlook. This one, which is the one that I use to do videos, and of course I've got my official one that I use, which is also for the Insider program and everything. My official one is still in beta. This one is out of beta and actually officially in the new release, which is kind of interesting. I don't know if it's because of the language differences, because the official one that I've got is in French. So, of course, revamped look. There's some options. The menus, of course, a menu on the left side with your inbox and all the information and things that you can do. And, you can access, of course, not just your mail, but your calendar. You have access to the people experience if you have lots of contacts, photos, and so on. It's, of course, a nice redesign. It's simple. The search is pretty cool, pretty fast. You have, of course, the focused inbox and the other inbox to see what's important or not. Of course, on the upper left corner, you've got a little grid square here, which is all the different apps that you have access to through the online experience, of course. And what I wanted to show here mostly is there's a new dark theme. If you go on the upper right, there's that little settings, and here you have dark mode. And there you go. Dark mode is now enabled for the Outlook experience. And of course you have all sorts of themes and things that you can do. So it tells you if these are available or not in the dark mode, and you can view all themes, of course. So some of them are available in the dark mode, you see here, and in regular mode, sorry, but a lot of them are, of course, not in the dark mode. You have also the different options of newest messages on top, reading pane. Do you want to have the focused inbox or not? You can actually turn that off and say, no, I don't want to have the focused inbox. So it depends on what you like or not and your settings. So dark theme is now part of Outlook, and it's kind of cool. And remember, you see here, there's ads. If you don't want these, you can actually subscribe to Outlook, and by subscribing, the ads will be removed. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.